So you get a lot of shoehorn with this extendable shoehorn handle. Its compact size is 14.5 inches and it retracts to a super long 37 inches, meaning you could get this into your shoe and slip on your shoes with ease in a standing position without having to bend over. This is great and convenient for the average person, but this is probably a vital tool for the elderly. So this works great even in the shortest length, which is 14.5. You could get down to your shoe by sitting in a chair without much bending over. And if you need to, get put on your shoes while standing, depending on situations. Maybe you're traveling in a hotel room or wherever. This can be tracked and extend to 37 inches, meaning you got a lot of flexibility. And it also can be adjustable in between fully extended and fully retracted. So it has super streamlined edges for a smooth fit. It has a nice comfortable foam padded handle. It's made out of lightweight aluminum alloy and it easily locks into place securely. So you just twist, stretch, and compress. You rotate to the right to tighten and left to loosen. And this could be stored on a hook because it has a nice strap that you could use it to secure to your hand or hang it in your closet. So what more can you ask for a collapsible shoehorn that's convenient to take traveling or even keep at home? Or you can't ask for more than what this gives you.